everybody, so I just wanted to go ahead and welcome you to our new teacher video. In lieu of doing an actual face-to-face meeting today, we decided to go ahead and create this video for you to go ahead and watch. There's not as much information this month, so we felt comfortable delivering it to you in an alternative way, and we thought it would kind of be fun to just do a video and let you know that we're thinking of you. If you need help or have questions, you can always feel free to contact us. Again, contact Amy Payne, Bailey Fry, Ryan Hamilton, or Lauren Johnson. We are more than happy to be here for you. But if you'll just go ahead and review this video real quick so that you can be up to date on any reminders that you may need, that would be wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started and get through this real quick. Okay, first things first. EOCs and AP exams are going to be coming up. They're just right around the corner. We will be doing U.S. history and makeup exams for EOCs. You may be called upon to proctor one or both of these types of exams. So just be aware that there are adjustments to the schedule, there are adjustments to room assignments, that sort of thing. Just be really aware of what's going on. Again, Holly Spinks will be your contact for that. AP exams will also be happening and are going to be just around the corner as well. Please remember to be patient with your students who are out of class for testing, making sure that you're catching them up. Obviously, it's not their fault that they have to take a test, so please make sure that you're just kind of making sure that they're caught up with your class and not falling behind due to the fact that they have EOCs that they are required to take. So let's keep going. We are off, running, hitting the ground running. We are off to a new 9 weeks, and I just wanted to put out a reminder there that students are walking in with a clean slate. This is awesome in most cases, although we do run into some situations in which some kids are really falling into that senioritis category, and we want to make sure that we are contacting parents frequently, especially if a student is a senior and they are failing or in danger of failing. COSH's main policy in regards to grades is that there are no last minute surprises. So please make sure to update your grades weekly and be in contact with parents on a weekly basis as well. Just make sure that that's documented so that you have something to go back on if the case arises and you have a student that is unsuccessful in your class. Also, if you have students that have contact teachers, they have coaches, they're part of ROTC, make sure to contact those people, reach out to them and see if we can get creative to help them be successful and really pull off, their grades, pull their grades up in the end. All right, the next thing we have here is TELPAS responsibilities. We've already done our wonderful writing sample collections. Thank you so much for your help and participation with that. Now what we have left to do is rate these wonderful work samples. We will be receiving emails from Holly Spinks, and she'll let us know what dates we need to come in, what needs to happen with that. You'll be using your ELPs to go ahead and determine what level the students are at, but please be patient with this process as well. It's a lengthy process, but it is state required. So please make sure that you're just keeping up with the deadlines and emails that are coming out in regards to TELPAS. All right, November trade days. For your November trade days, obviously November happened months ago, but we need to make sure that you have at least 12 professional learning hours because those are due coming up March 31st. So please don't forget about that or you will be docked. I wanted to go ahead and show you here if you are still lacking a little bit of time, go ahead and click right here. This will take you to the learning and teaching section of the LASD webpage. If you click on the online learning courses, it will give you a list of online learning, book studies, things like that that you can go ahead and do in order to earn credit hours if you're still lacking those. So go ahead and just make sure to take advantage of that opportunity that's out there for you if you're still lacking that time. Just make sure that those are taken care of by March 31st. All right, on to lead artifacts and observations. Make sure that you're continuously collecting artifacts, taking pictures, doing anything that you can to prove that wonderful teaching that you have. All right, so our next meeting is going to be April 10th at 7:50 a.m. and we look forward to seeing you there. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, contact Amy Payne, Bailey Fry, Ryan Hamilton, or Lauren Johnson. Thanks so much for watching this video and have a great day. Bye-bye.